Right, we're lucky enough here to try this SinkFix kit. Now you'll see here there's plenty of holes to get a fixing onto. And the nuts have some final adjustments as well, give you that bit of play. The best bit about this kit is the amount of adjustment you have once the kit's fitted side to side. Now there looks plenty of play. We're going to be using 800 wide sink, so no small sink we're trying it out on. Now we've put our unit into place, but the sink really needs to take a lot more weight, so we need a good fixing. As you can see, there's plenty of fixings there, so they should be able to hold the sink to the wall. With all this adjustment here, we haven't got to worry about hitting a mortar joint and kicking slightly to the side. Now this is underneath our sink, all screwed up. A splash back above the sink, so we're not going to worry about tiling around the bracket. We'll throw the sink forward about 5mm, but that's quite handy because it keeps your monoblock tap another 5mm away from the tiles, giving you that good clearance. And it also gives you a little gap to get a sealant in before tiling. Connect the pipes up. Leaving the sink with a good solid fixing.